Normally you want to program smart key, it must be disarm status. So you need to open the Cardot, and our system will check the set down triggerware. The color is gray, the gray color. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sixth wire. This one, this side. Okay. Now this is in arm, alarm LED blinking. Right. You can use this test pencil to verify this correct wire or not. Yes. It's on. This on. This is correct wire. Okay. Let us program smart key. Disarm. The first step, disarm, and you give power to this. You give power to this side of trigger wire, and you will hear the relay click sound from the main unity. That means you have opened the Cardot, and then this is learning button. Press this button 6 times, and the start button light will be off to 12. Don't remove that task, and you give the power to this solid wire. Yes, if connection is there, you will hear click sound from the unity. And then press it 6 times, the reset button, learning button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, off learning status. This one. Yeah, you will use for the break and remove the test pencil. Never give the negative power to this cable, this side. Now let us try. Yeah. This is finding the car. Yes. Yes. Yes.
这就不工作，因为被挤掉了，不同时。
Nothing. No, I don't need this. Okay. I give power for the brake. Open the Cardot, so you touch this green cable. Touch the brake. Touch the brake. Okay. Emergency disarm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then press it again 6 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Learning status. Press any button.